What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Aaron's yard. We're at the sawmill today. We have a tulip poplar log on here right now. We're going to start to mill. I got 5 of them, so we're going to see what type of lumber we can get out of it and what it looks like inside. They look pretty ugly. They've been sitting for a little bit, so let's see what we can get. We're going to cut off this burl down here first. It might be a burl. I don't know what it is, but it's going to look pretty cool, hopefully. Maybe make a bowl out of it. I don't know. Maybe I'll take a couple slices to see what's in there first and go from there. I don't know. Let's give it a shot. So here's the burl. Here's the log. And there's the star of the show, Hudson Sawmills, HFE30. Let's get to milling, guys. Well, all right, I know you guys love seeing water poured on top of freshly sawn wood. So I got a container of water here. We'll probably go from this side. Sun's a little beam in that direction. It's a beautiful day in central Connecticut here. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that grain. That looks beautiful. Looks like we got a little bit of spalt up at the top. Looks pretty neat. But that grain is just popping. He's gonna make some beautiful boards. We're probably gonna go probably 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches with boards out of this. And should make some nice tabletops. Cool. Let's get to it. Super cool boards. These are super cool. Look at that spalt. Very nice. These are some really nice boards. We ended up cutting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of this camp, and they're 15 inches wide. These are going to be some nice steps for my house. Probably use them for steps. I don't know. Maybe I'll use them for something else. But let's check out what we got. Did all these in 6/4. Try to go buy a piece of lumber like that. Man, that's beautiful. Where the knots are. See some hard stuff up there. Little dip there. Just look at that grain. That is amazing stuff. It almost looks like oak, but I definitely know it's not oak. Definitely not oak. Oak doesn't have bark like that, and stringy kind of. This is definitely a tulip poplar, you know, or it could be an ash. You know, I think it's tulip poplar though. Wow, guys, did pretty good on that one log. That tulip poplar was pretty nice. Had some spalt in it. Got some nice boards out of it, as you can see. Here's the stack of boards we got. So starting from the bottom, we got a couple flitches. You know, we'll trim those up, make those cool. But we did get 1, 2, 3, 4 really nice 6/4 boards. And then up here we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 4/4 boards. Some of them are okay, some of them are a little bit, you know, punky, but we can cut off those bad sections and make some nice project wood, some nice really nice lumber out of it. They're pretty consistent. The mill is cutting great. I got it dialed in pretty nice. So we're gonna set up another log and cut into that one and get through them, guys. Have a day, man. Gotta have a day. Well, here's the second log, guys. We got 4 pieces of cutoff. Not too bad. And we have these beautiful boards. Look at this. This stuff is absolutely gorgeous. This is another tulip poplar. Look at that grain in there. Wow. Wow. So over here there are 3, and then we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 9 6/4, 8-foot long boards. And these ones measure, let me get the tape. "14 inches, 14-inch wide. These are beautiful. These will make a beautiful table. So let's pour some water on it and see what it looks like. See the grain in this. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. That is a beautiful piece of lumber. Try to go buy that at the big box store. I guarantee you can't. Something like that, never. But that is beautiful. Well guys, that was a great day of milling today. Got through 3 logs. I got the 4th one on the mill, ready to go. Maybe I'll get to that tomorrow. But we did a lot of milling today. Quite a few boards. Beautiful day to do it, so got to take advantage of it while we have it in this December time. Geez, 50 degrees today. Starting to get cooler. The sun's going down. But I'm going to call that a wrap on this video, guys. Stay tuned. More sawmill videos on the way. Maybe we'll get to building the shed sometime. I don't know. We'll find out. So hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.